Hi mga ka-UFam! So, andito kami ngayon sa Timberland Resort sa San Mateo, Rizal. Kasi, magpapasok ka na si Summer sa November 6 and hindi pa niya na-enjoy yung bakasyon niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng Timberland. First time lang din namin dito. Pero palang resort dito sa San Mateo. So, pakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda. Ito yung pinaka drop-off area nila dyan. And sobrang taas namin, overlooking ng lahat. Yung papakita ko sa inyo yung overlooking niya. Tapos yan, may water feature doon. Yun o. Ganda nga, pwede kang pumunta doon sa taas. Siyempre, punta ko muna si Mama Yu, baka magalit na naman yun. And si Summer, hi! Say hello to the vlog.
Hi.
Where are we?
Now we're in the one that we trick or treat.
The one that we went?
Free hotel because we win.
Because you won. Free hotel. Actually, free hotel to kasi nanalo si Summer ng trick or treat. Best in costume. High five. Oh, let's go. You tour them.
Here's the condo.
Condo hotel. Here's the hotel. Good afternoon po. So, ayan, mga ka-UFam. Ayan si Mama Yu. Hi, Mama Yu. Be careful. So, mga ka-UFam, ito yung view. Look. Look at the view. See? Ayan lahat ng polusyon. My God. Ang nice. Para siyang Tagaytay. Yan. Up in Timberland. Yung swimming pool area, hanapin pa namin kasi yun ang gusto ni Summer. Hi! Uy! Babalik ko. Hi! Dito kami. So, pupunta na kami sa room namin. Oh, look at the view. Away from the pollution.
I think there's parang may bumababang anghel.
Parang may operasyon. Puntahan muna namin ng yung play area ni Summer. Andito pala yung parang restaurant nila. Hello po. Saan po yung playroom? Let's go, Summer. Kung itong restaurant open sa hanggang ng oras po? 10 PM. Pwede pala mag-dine-in. Pwede tayo mag-dine-in. Day timing niya. Good afternoon.
Tapos right side po yung play area.
Thank you.
That's fun.
It's so dark in here. Here, Summer. Ito yung pambata, oh. Tapos they have this activity area. Hello po. Meron silang rock climbing. Summer, you want to try rock climbing? Rock climbing. Ayan, oh, you will climb there. You want to try?
Oh my. That's so cute.
That's so high. Laki ng court. Ito yung gym area nila, oh. Pagkatapos natin mag-buffet, no, gym. Summer, halika na. Let's go. Doon tayo sa room natin. Thank you, kuya. May badminton court pa sila. Ayan, oh. Summer, look, oh. Gising tayo maaga bukas. Let's do all of that. Come on. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Ito'y nahuhuli.
Let's go. Kuya, magkano po ang rock climbing?
Rock climbing po, 350 po.
350. 2 to 3 climbs, okay.
Sasaya ka lang ng pera. Hanggang doon ka lang sa pangalawa.
Si Summer. Kayang-kaya, may harness eh. Doon muna tayo sa room. Thank you po. Let's go to our room na, bilis.
Yes, let's go.
How's the play area? Do you like it?
Yes, but there's people there, but I'm shy.
You're shy because there's people there.
Yes.
It's okay.
But they will fight with me.
They will not fight with you. Ganda, no? So nice here. Super bait ng staff. Oh, yes. Dito kami magdi-dinner later. For sure, dito din ang buffet. Pwede ka dun sa labas, oh. Ang ganda ng view mo. Yes. No, not here. Here. Oh, you push. It says, oh, push. How do you push? Very good.
I'm strong. I'm a monster.
You be the one to open. Open.
Oh my!
Just go. Ano, excited ka, girl? Ah, wow.
Daddy,
You don't have balcony,
don't have balcony.
but you have a view. Pagod ako. Bakit ako napagod, Summer?
Because you said I can see the swimming.
Where are we going ba?
That I think we're in a swimming pool.
We're gonna look at the pool. Who? Can you see the pool?
The pool!
Let's go here. On the grass.
Here.
Let's check the pool. Wow.
Oh my, there's toys.
There's the kiddie pool over there.
There's like a pool, there's like this.
Yeah, a chest.
A chest. But you cannot.
Oh, look at the pool.
That's it.
You like it? Are you excited to swim later? Oh, look naman at the space. Dami pang space, oh. Tapos meron silang massage area dito. Ang ganda. Look at the pool. Tapos dun sa dulo yung kiddie pool. Dun.
Look, that looks like a monster.
Tapos ang view mo habang nagsiswimming ay... Yan.
Daddy, baka there's a ants here.
No. Nice. Ayun ang view ng pool, oh. Nice. Ganda. Ayan, magmamodel daw siya. Go! Ah, yes. Very pretty. Ah! Pose. Paano yung pose? Ah, sabay kayo ni Mami. Mamayo. Sumunta ka doon.
Si Otto, hindi ka marunong eh.
Oh, galingan nyo daw. Bago mag-swimming, may... Ah, yes. Go! Si baby yung muna. Oh. Ano yan? Mukha kang na ano. Ano y-
Si Summer catwalk.
Again, paano mag-catwalk? You teach the mga kayu-fam. Huh? Pusa. Ay, wow. Pusa ka, girl.
Yeah, I'm a cute pusa.
Ay, you're a cute, cat? Ayan, coffee na naman. So, magdi-dinner na kami, mga kayu-fam, bago mag-swimming.
Now we're gonna eat first, and after we eat, we're gonna swim, guys.
Wow. Ay, nako. Ang anak kong vlogger. Pool. Pool, anak, pool. Yan.
Now I have to pull the door because it says pool.
Ah, okay. It says pool.
Now this is the eating.
Eating? That's the eating place? Cafeteria. Restaurant. This is all. Come on. Let's look for our place muna.
Yes.
You want to eat outside or inside?
Inside.
Ay mga kayufa, magsiswimming kami. Tignan nyo naman ang view. Look! Ang ganda. Is it beautiful? You like it? Okay, gusto niya na mag-swimming. Ayun. Dito na kami sa pool area, mga kayufam. Mima, pupunta kami doon ni mama yun. Tignan niyo yung view doon, oh. Ang ganda. Nandito sila. Say hi! Say hi to the vlog! Oh, nakakita daw siya ng flower. Ayun si Mama Yu. Kalachuchi. Ito yung kiddie pool. Tapos, may kiddie pool pa ulit dun sa baba na may slide. Ito 2 feet, yon 3 feet. Tapos yan may slide. Oh. Nice. Tapos ayan oh, nakita niyo yan, court nila yan. Meron sila dyang basketball, badminton. Nice. Tapos ayan si Autumn. Autumn, say hello. Nakatingin lang siya sa atin niya. You're looking at your sister. Say hi. Hi. Bawal pang mag-swim, anak. Baka bad sa'yo ang chlorine. So, magsiswimming na dapat ako. Kaso, medyo malamig. Nakakatakot ang lamig. Di naman super. May nalaglag pa sa akin insekto. Kaloka. Okay, pababa na ako. Si Mama Yu. Hi, Mama Yu. Nakabantay kay Baby Otto. What is it that you're asking?
That the grasshopper is. That's why the
Ano girl? That's why. Ano na?
the cockroach. The cockroach is green pala because I think he eats something green. Maybe he eat a grasshopper because grasshopper is green, diba?
Why? You saw a green cockroach?
Yes.
It's not a cockroach, it's a grasshopper.
Yes, no, but he it have 4 legs.
O kaya
But
nga.
cockroach have 4 legs.
No, cockroach have 6 legs. 6 ba?
How about 4? How about the like
Ano?
grasshoppers?
Oh, let's search about grasshoppers and let's count its feet. Okay, close na po. Kasi 9 na, pero look at the view. Ang ganda. Oh, mayroon ko sa makulit.
It's so cool na.
What?
It's so cool na.
Okay, let's go. Tara ba, nagvi-video ako eh.
The button is there.
Okay, let's go. What are you doing?
So hi guys, I'm playing this one.
What's that?
So I don't know what is this.
Snake and ladder.
Second ladder. It's big and I'm using that this new tablet and it's so big.
It's so big?
And we're done swimming.
Okay. We're done swimming. O sige na, you play. Let's see if you will win. Si Baby Yu. Ano? Ano ba yun? Ha? I love you. I love you. Hi guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa breakfast. Ito yung mga in-offer nilang food. Oh, bacon. Patay ka sa akin later. Ayan, mga arroz caldo. Ito hindi ko alam. Siguro noodles. Tapos, ayun si Mama Yu. Mama Yu, ano meron dyan?
Chicken tocino.
Chicken tocino.
Pork longganisa.
They have pork longganisa.
May bacon doon.
Yes. Ay sa akin yung bacon. You have pancit din. Tapos dito sa gitna, salad. They have bread. Tapos ayan, cheese platter. Meron silang fruits. Dito yung juice bar. Tapos may bread. Merong champurado. Tsaka kakanin. Parang dessert section na lang. And cereals. And si Baby You. Say hi! Say good morning! Swimming time again. Alam mo naman si Summer ay magpatalo basta may swimming pool. Diba? Enjoy na enjoy siya. Hi Summer! Hi! Kagabi pa siya baliw na baliw dyan sa flowers na yan. Again! Wow! Wow! Tagalan mo naman!
Ano daw?
Tagalan!
Tagalan mo daw.
Very good!